Hi guys, we're Crackhead.
Story of my life.
Come on over. This is what happens when he sets up the camera. You get the shelf. Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We're so happy to have every single one of you here. I am here with my husband Steve, also known as Mr. Chaos, for another Tuesday tag. This tag again was created by Sandy over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy. So big thanks to Sandy for setting this up for us. And we were tagged by Roy over at Recipes with Roy. You're not allowed to talk. You have to get off his back.
Yes, I'll be a good person today.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Anyways, I will link Roy's channel down in the comments below as well. So big thanks to Roy for always thinking of us. And these questions are, what are they called again?
They are who, what, or why tag.
Who, what, or why tag.
And sometimes why.
Close. I'm proud of you for trying.
Thank you.
And Steve has the questions on his phone. So what is question number 1?
Number 1, who would you thank if you could only pick one person, living or dead, from his or her influence on your life?
My grandma Phyllis. She's the reason I'm a nurse.
Oh, wow.
You knew that.
Mm-hmm.
So why do you say wow?
I was just reacting with the audience because they're going to be doing the same thing. So I was just trying to get them involved.
When my grandma Phyllis passed away, I was too scared to go say goodbye to her because she was very sick and on hospice and in a hospital bed, and I was too scared, and I wanted to make sure that no other family members had to miss seeing their loved one before they passed away because they were too scared. So yep, that's why I'm a nurse.
Yep.
And I work in orthopedics where very few people pass away, so. But I have done my fair share of hospice work. So
Yes, you have.
big thanks to Grandma.
Yep. All right. I had several people in my life, really. I mean.
1, quit being dramatic.
I know. There's just so many. I mean, my dad.
These aren't the Emmys.
Okay, I want to say my dad then.
I'm just teasing. You can pick as many as you want.
My dad, coaches. I mean, there's several people that influenced my life. I can't just narrow it down to one person because I got the good out of several people. Yep.
So you thank them, I blame them.
Yeah, pretty much. That's how it goes. Mm-hmm.
Knew it.
Yep. All right. Question number 2. What is one thing you love to do as a family?
Watch movies. Go camping.
Took the words right out of my mouth. Same 2 things. Watch movies and go camping. Yep. That's what we love to do as a family.
Oh, this family?
Yeah, not your other family.
Not my good family?
Not your good family and your husband with good credit and all that. Yeah.
Same.
Well, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Mutual things.
You are number 2. The poo of my life.
Biting my tongue. Biting my tongue.
Don't bite too hard.
Mm-hmm. All right. Question number 3. We'll just move on. As usual.
What?
Who or what made you laugh the loudest this year?
My family. What's the funniest thing that happened to us this year?
The funniest thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Lord. I can't think of one specific thing.
Definitely my family. We're weird.
Yeah.
We are weird.
We are weird.
But we're happy.
For the most part, yes. 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 See? We're happy. There you go. I would say the same thing. Family. Yep. They've done some pretty funny things. Our kids are a little crazy sometimes.
Like when Ava backed the lawnmower into the car.
Yes. I don't know if any of you watch Bob's Burgers at all, but that one episode where Bob was trying to teach Tina how to drive, and they're in an empty parking lot, but there's one parked car in that empty parking lot. That's my daughter driving. She literally had all this room to back up a lawnmower, and she runs into the car.
Yeah, and then she didn't even come in to tell him that she did it because she told him before she was afraid she was going to.
Yep.
So when he said, see, look, you didn't even hit the car, and she was like, Yes, I did, and I told you I was going to. And then she just sat down like it was nothing.
Didn't skip a beat. Nice little dent in the side of the car, but she could care less. She's like, you know what? I told you so.
She just plowed the lawnmower right into the car.
Yep. Yeah, so.
Luckily, it's the car we let our teenagers drive, so it's not the end of the world, but
yeah,
we had to have a little chat about responsibility on that one.
Yeah.
She did tell us she was going to do it.
Mm-hmm.
My gosh.
I mean, if you would look at the situation, you'd be like, how?
And then the lawnmower wasn't
how?
even close to the car.
No, it was a good 3-4 feet away. I mean, she would literally have to crank the wheel all the way over for it to turn and go into the car.
Maybe she didn't have her glasses on. Leave her alone.
Okay, yeah, we'll call it glasses. Yeah, that was probably one of the funniest moments so far this year.
Told you I was going to.
Told you. Just didn't skip a beat. Nope.
Oh, yes, I did.
I did it. It's your fault, not mine.
She warned us.
Yep. All right. I think we're on question 4. What are 3 things that always make you smile?
My kids, Steve, and good food.
Ooh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
I would definitely say the kids and then you, and then dad jokes. Yeah. Dad jokes.
Do you have one you have to tell? I just feel something brewing. I'm pretty sure it's not gas.
No, I don't have a dad joke right now.
You don't have a dad joke since when?
I know.
He loves him so much he has to tell you about him, but he can't tell you one.
Well, it was a rough day at work.
Ew.
My mind is fried. Yes.
Next.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Buttercup.
All right, fine. What do you get when you cross a pig and a centipede?
What?
Bacon and legs.
But about.
All right, there. That's a cheesy dad joke for today.
It is cheesy.
Very cheesy. All right. Number 5. What friend or family member do you wish was at your table?
I don't have a specific one. I would love to have any family member or friend at my kitchen table for chit chat.
There is 3-4 specific people I would like at my dinner table. They're no longer with us. My grandma, Josie, my Uncle Steve, my Uncle John, and my Aunt Bernie. All 4 of those around the table with current family members.
Oh my gosh, that'd be a hoot.
Yes.
We'd never get up.
Nope.
That'd be awesome.
It would be awesome. That would be like, yeah, that would be awesome.
Good call.
Yep. All right. Question number 6. What is your favorite tradition?
I like all of our traditions. What's my favorite one, though?
Well, you can't really use your favorite one because it's really for number 7.
I know, that's what I'm thinking.
Family get together.
I do like family get-togethers. I don't know if that counts as a tradition, but
no, I mean we
I
get
like
together.
holiday get-togethers.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, get together at Christmas and Thanksgiving, so it's tradition.
Okay.
All right. Favorite tradition of mine. Probably. Yeah, I don't know. I'm brain farting on this one.
I'm excited to see what everybody else says.
Yeah. If I think of something, I'll come back to it. We had some fun traditions growing up. I mean, like around Christmas time, we'd go up to the Legion and for their Christmas program, and just going like Christmas programs. I think was a lot of fun traditions that we did. So yeah, I'll go with that one.
Okay.
All right. Number 7. This one's easy. What strange or quirky traditions do you have?
Strange or quirky traditions?
Mm-hmm.
We watch Elf every Halloween.
Yep.
Because it's a kickoff to our holiday season.
Yes. That's same here. I love that one. That is just. I always got a teacher about it.
Yeah, he's more serious about it than I am,
and
it's my favorite movie. So.
Yep. Yeah, I got to make sure that we're home from trick or treating, so we can sit down and watch Elf.
Yep.
All right. That was question number 7. So now we're on 8.
Mm-hmm.
Would you rather eat turkey every day for the rest of your life or never have mashed potatoes again?
Turkey.
Yeah, I would say turkey because I like mashed potatoes. So.
I'm not a fan of cutting anything out. Especially not potatoes.
Yeah, but I like mashed potatoes. So.
And I love turkey.
Mm-hmm. All right. Question number 9. Would you rather drink apple cider with gravy or hot chocolate with cranberry sauce?
Hot chocolate and cranberry. I feel like that could work.
Yeah, I think that would work too. I actually might try that. Just to see.
Thank you, Sandy.
Yeah.
I have a special treat for you.
Yeah. Chocolate and cranberries. I think that would be good.
Don't they make like chocolate covered cranberries?
I would assume.
Do people eat them?
Yeah, chocolate covered everything, so yeah.
True.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Question number 10, and the final one. What piece of advice would you pass on to the next generation to establish their own traditions?
What piece of advice?
Mm-hmm.
Family first.
Yeah.
Always put your family first.
Yeah, let's say establish those healthy traditions with your family. Yep. And don't shun anybody out of your family for traditions. Don't.
Mm-mm.
No. Yep. Because family is family.
That's right. Blood's thicker than water, yo.
All right, fam. We're cool.
We're tough, too.
We're awesome. Going like Jason Statham, you know.
I think you crossed the line.
Oh,
You're
okay.
too far.
All right.
I'm just guessing.
Okay. Let us know in the comments if I cross the line. I'd be kind of curious.
You don't get to pick comments.
Yes, I do.
It's my channel. You do
Tough.
yours.
Tough. I'm just waiting to see what Roy's going to put down there.
Get him, Roy. He doesn't get to ask for comments on my videos, huh?
Yes, I do.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Bring it.
And there's the boxing gloves.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, they're coming off. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Anyways, let's tag our friends.
Okay.
I'm going to tag Mary over at Mary Gets Fit. I will link her channel down below. And who else?
Of course, Miss Suzy.
Suzy. Always Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey if she's interested.
Mm-hmm.
And anyone else that would like to participate in the tag.
Me too.
Yep, if you have a YouTube channel, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to leave your own answers down in the comments, then please feel free. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So, Ace, he's been outside that door whining the whole time because I didn't say hi to him yet.
I know. You're a failure as a dog mom.
You didn't have to go that far.
Like I said, gloves are off.
For Roy. Not me. You have to
No,
live
you're
with
backing
me.
him.
I like him. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Sorry he made me cranky. I hope you'll have a great week. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.
Bye.